Now at 5, fentanyl is now the leading cause of death of Americans under 50. The CDC says almost 70% of opioid overdose deaths here in the U.S. are related to the drug. Jared Hill shows us how some states are fighting the crisis.
Behind the bar of this New York City pizza shop, in plain sight, are test kits meant to detect the potentially deadly opioid, fentanyl.
Whatever it takes. Whatever it takes to keep you alive.
Carla Hogan says with the business in the heart of Manhattan nightlife, stocking up was a no-brainer. Scar's Pizza is part of a growing network through the ASAP Foundation, increasing access to these tests as fentanyl, so potent and often laced into many other illicit drugs, creeps into communities.
The majority of fentanyl deaths that we have in this state are people who didn't know that they were taking fentanyl at the time that they ingested fentanyl.
The strips have long been considered drug paraphernalia and have been illegal in many states. But since 2022, more and more states are decriminalizing them, including Kentucky, Utah, and Mississippi. Texas Representative Tom Oliverson sponsored a bill moving through his state.
I think for somebody who already is abusing drugs, the difference between having these strips and not having these strips is the opportunity to go to rehab versus be killed instantly.
We don't want to tell you what to do. We just want to make sure you're safe, and we want to make sure that you have access to those safeties, whatever those may be.
A short-term fix as the nation grapples with a larger crisis. Jared Hill, CBS News, New York.
Now, Columbus Public Health gives out free fentanyl testing strips. They can be picked up Monday through Friday during business hours.